Today I'm taking a walk along one of the most beautiful roads in Canada, the famous Niagara Parkway. It's a place that millions of people visit every year. But no matter how many photographs or videos you've seen before, nothing truly prepares you for the feeling of standing here in person. The sound reaches you first. Even from far away, you can already hear the distant roar of Niagara Falls somewhere ahead, hidden behind trees, buildings, and clouds of mist rising into the sky. As I walk along the parkway today, the autumn air feels fresh and cool. The sun is still high above the river, lighting everything with warm golden colors. Leaves are beginning to change, adding shades of orange, yellow, and red to the landscape around me. And honestly, this entire place feels more like a giant natural park than city. The Niagara Parkway follows the Niagara River, connecting several historic and scenic locations between Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Winston Churchill once called this road the prettiest Sunday afternoon drive in the world, and after spending time here, it's easy to understand why. Every few minutes, the scenery changes. One moment, there are peaceful walking trails surrounded by trees and flowers, and the next moment, the river suddenly opens into dramatic views of rushing water moving toward the falls. The closer I get, the stronger the sound becomes. And then finally, Niagara Falls appears. Seeing it in person is overwhelming. The amount of water flowing over the edge every second is almost impossible to imagine. Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls on the American side. The largest and most famous one is Horseshoe Falls, the massive curved waterfall mostly located in Canada. This is the view most people recognize from postcards and travel documentaries. Across the river on the American side, you can clearly see American Falls with its rugged rocky base and powerful streams of water crashing below. It's interesting how different the waterfalls look depending on which country you're standing in. From Canada, you get the wide panoramic perspective where all the waterfalls open in front of you at once. From the American side, visitors can get incredibly close to the water itself. And somehow together, both sides create one unforgettable destination shared by 2 countries. As I continue walking, I notice how international this place feels. You can hear different languages everywhere. Families taking photos. Tourists stopping every few seconds just to stare at the river. Some people stand quietly, while others laugh and point excitedly toward the waterfalls. Everyone reacts differently when they see Niagara Falls for the first time. But almost everybody stops walking. Because for a moment, the power of nature completely takes over your attention. Out on the river below, the cruise boats slowly move toward the mist. From up here, they almost look tiny compared to the scale of the waterfalls. The Canadian cruise ships with passengers wearing bright red ponchos head directly toward Horseshoe Falls, disappearing in the clouds of mist before emerging again. Even from this distance, you can imagine the thunderous sound and cold spray surrounding them. It's one of those experiences people remember for the rest of their lives. And honestly, watching the boats from above becomes part of the experience too. You can feel the excitement every time another cruise approaches the falls. As the afternoon continues, the sunlight begins to soften. The river changes color from bright turquoise to deeper shades of blue and green. The mist above the waterfalls catches the sunlight perfectly, creating glowing rainbows that appear and disappear within seconds. Sometimes the rainbow is so vivid it almost looks unreal. Walking farther along the parkway, there's always something new to notice. Historic buildings, gardens, observation points, street performers, people riding bicycles along the trails, couples taking wedding photographs with the falls behind them, and everywhere the constant sound of moving water. Niagara Falls has fascinated people for centuries, Long before modern tourism arrived here, indigenous peoples lived in this region and considered the waterfalls a powerful spiritual place. Later, explorers and travelers from Europe described Niagara Falls as one of the greatest natural wonders in the world. By the 1800s, the area became one of North America's most popular tourist destinations. And even today, after millions upon millions of visitors, the waterfalls still feel timeless. No video or photograph can fully capture the scale of this place. That's something you only understand once you stand beside it yourself. As the sun slowly begins to set, the atmosphere changes again. The bright energy of the afternoon starts giving way to a calmer and more peaceful mood. The sky becomes softer. Orange light reflects across the river. The city skyline on both sides of the border begins to glow. And the waterfalls somehow become even more dramatic in the evening light. Now the mist rising from Horseshoe Falls turns golden under the setting sun. People gather along the railings to watch the changing colors in the sky. Some tourists stop talking completely and simply watch in silence. Moments like this remind you why places like Niagara Falls continue inspiring artists, filmmakers, photographers, and travelers from around the world. It's not only about the waterfalls themselves. It's about the atmosphere, the sound, the movement, the feeling of standing near something so powerful and ancient. As darkness arrives, the entire area slowly transforms one more time. Lights begin appearing along the parkway. The skyline brightens. And then finally, one of the most beautiful nighttime displays in Canada begins. The illumination of Niagara Falls. Suddenly, the waterfalls are covered in color. Bright white light first reveals every detail of the rushing water. Then slowly, the colors begin to change. Blue, red, purple, green. The mist itself starts glowing against the dark sky. At night, Niagara Falls almost feels completely different from the daytime experience. During the day, it feels energetic and alive. At night, it becomes cinematic and mysterious. The illuminated waterfalls reflect beautifully across the river, while visitors continue gathering along the pathways, enjoying the incredible nighttime scenery. Even after spending hours here, it's difficult to leave. Thank you for joining me on this Niagara Parkway walk. And wherever you are watching from the world, I hope this video brought you a little closer to the beauty, energy, and atmosphere of Niagara Falls.